Sugarman's Beach in Portmore was the location for the Easter Sunday staging of Sandz the Baywatch edition. Let's check out the highlights.
Supreme Team Limited. This is another staging of Sandz, the ultimate beach chill for Easter weekend. And as you can see, we get a big turnout and we are very grateful. And all we can say, the people they all have vibes, illusion and play right now. Look out for the next stage in Sandz, the anniversary, bigger and better. We're going to out you with that one here, so we just pull on the tank and stack up on the coolers. Road.
Hey, I'm Dan and Gia talking right now with their Sandz. Pree Dis. Owner Cruise them a lose. You might see me in a Ray-Ban. Man a man bad from day one. Tom Cruise, Sandz, up. Big up the sponsors, big up everybody, KMG, UK straight.
Yo, me enjoy Sandz, me can't yo, Cabana life, a real lifestyle. Clean money. Yo.
Sure. You know the bad boy Chad I represent for Pree Dis. You know right now me there Sandz. You know the thing fully turned up. Sure. You know Chad I represent. And right now I'm a first Sandz. You know me and my mother there. Big up mommy pon her earth sham. Big up baby sham. You know the thing fully lawless. Chop, chucky face. Pree Dis TV. We run the place. Sure, lawless.
You want breadfruit? Just tell me if you want breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Catch you down to them called breadfruit. Watch you dance. Roast or fry. Catch you dance. Roast or fry. Breadfruit. You want breadfruit? Tell me.
Them say they want some of the Sandz. I want you party get bad like Sandz. Don't think I was party get bad like Sandz. Just look on them and tell them. And we must dance up and we must dance. We must dance up and we must.
He Said, She Said is a comedy review now playing at the Courtly Auditoriums. Let's check out the highlights and the interviews from the cast members.
Sir! Yeah. Hold man. We have been on one place of a man. From when my call Sir Elder. I don't know I'm too the young people with all this anger. You can't know who not get no petting, you know. 72 for nice, man. Can you know what you're talking about? Don't know what me talk about. I can tell you, so much oil in your back, you almost tear up a shop front when you have it. Listen, when you don't know bigger than you in no big bed. When me don't know, nothing out there when me don't know about. And anything when you are trying, me tired of. And when you see out there, I'm me put it there. Ben. Hey, beep on my shop one more time.
I was into maybe advertisements and a few performances here and there for school and church, but this is my first really big commercial production. So,
tell us, where's school and church for you?
Where's school? Well, school I went to Arden High School. Church is in Spanish Town Methodist, so a lot of work between those two. You know.
So that can give you the stomping ground to get into acting?
Yeah, I mean, Arden High School really is into performing arts, and especially church where they encourage performances and all those sort of things, so definitely.
How old are you though?
I'm 20, flat.
And how was the experience in this production been for you?
It was life-changing. It really forced me to think differently, to act differently, and to really get into my roles and take this seriously. So it changed me a lot, it affected me a lot, and how I move about.
You enjoyed yourself last night?
Yes, but...
No, but! You enjoyed yourself!
Yes, but only for 10 minutes.
So hold on. How much longer than that do you want, lady? We tell about the morning. Me don't understand, hold on. You see a board bus after 9 seconds. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you complain? Yo, me tell about the woman, hey, you can't go on, you get 10 and enough that.
Demanding?
Of course, man. Say, you don't want too much. And when you're not cost me say you never get enough, yeah, give me instructions. Then the pan, yes, no, right here. Woo, right here.
How did you get involved in the production?
Okay, I saw there was an audition that was posted on Facebook, and I saw it, and I just took the opportunity to send in my bio, and I was called for the audition. So that's why I'm here.
What do you think gave you the edge to have gotten the role?
I guess it's my ability to just come out of myself and just be anything that the director wants me to be.
No, tip on the dog, I work shower. No, tip on the man.
You want a lap dance? Sit down. That's $50,000. I'm thirsty again.
Tell us though about your previous acting experiences.
Well, I've recently done a production in 2015, from 2013 to 2015, run about there, with Oliver Samuels. It was called Embassy Saga. Yeah, and before that, I was in a production called Big Tree Small Axe. That was a Showtime production, and I've been with Center Stage Theatre for a couple of years.
Eat alone. And then the woman them see me, and them feel sorry for me. And then them, you know, them invite me to eat at them table. But then, after them invite me back to them home and satisfy me other appetite in everywhere, boy.
Mercy on our soul. Oh, come on, no, Rebecca. That was not a nice thing to say. You know, Lillian, you know you're right. That was I was being very unkind to dogs. At least dogs are faithful, and they're not so obsessed with coitus. Lord, forgive me. What do you mean by obsessed with him? That. I mean, want it, and need it, and always want to be doing it, and doing it. Oh, come on, no, Rebecca. One cannot be obsessed with doing something that he or she is unable to do. Where am I? We do it, too. Where there's a willing, there is a will.
Comedy review, he said, she said. Is this new territory for you though?
Definitely new territory. I'm a dramatic actress, so I like to get into character, and I'm a method actress. I like to get into character, study this character, and present this person, this three-dimensional person on stage, where the comedy review, they're sketches, so you have to just capture the essence of the character. So for me, my challenge is not to get too deep into the character so I can switch out.
So wait, me no need sorting out too.
I'm just sat your names. Look how long that. All asleep in the bed.
Look how long that. That's about a good 2 hours. Anyway.
After the break, we bring you the Caribbean video and we salute Sean Paul. We'll be right back.